Welcome back to Stardew Valley. We're actually going to see what the spirits have to say to us today instead of just completely ignoring them like we did the other day. Oh, the Queen of Sauce is on too. Stir fry? I feel like stir fry comes up so often. Okay, fortune teller. Welcome to Wellwick's Oracle, the only show where the voice of the spirits is channeled directly to you. The spirits are in good humor today. I think you'll have a little extra luck. Okay, perfect. We need that little extra luck. Oh, and here's a note. Thank you, Marlin, for my sword. I'm going to try to give Elliot one of these flowers, I think. We're going to plant all these because we need to get our farming up. Oh, good. I think we just loaded up our farming. That's wonderful. What to do today? We do need coal. I'm a little bit scared to go down in the mines. But we do need coal. I might just try to break open these geodes, though, and get some coal. I think I'm going to do this. Let's do that. And let's only take 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, we can take 5. Because we don't really have the space for the other ones. Hello! Oh, okay, good. We have 1 big chicken egg. So we're going to put that egg into the community center. Okay, if we don't get anything by breaking open these geodes, though, then we'll go down and we'll get the coal. Oh, Cracker Jacks. Hold on. It's Vincent's birthday, too. That's right. What would a child like... Oh, I can harvest these, too. Hold on. Oop. Okay, I guess we're just gonna get all starred kale. Goodness. What would a child like for their birthday? That I have. Daffodil it is. Let's go. Oh. Sylvester, don't push on that. Okay, let's go over here. See if there's anything over here. Oh, your birthday. Oh, we have an event tomorrow, too. A bookseller. I definitely don't have that. Okay, we're definitely gonna go down to the mines because we can slay some crabs and get some... I'm scared. It's okay. We got this. Let's go to see Vincent. Aw, he's adorable. Okay, and then we'll go down and see if we can't find Elliot. If not, we've got to go to the community center first and then do the things. There's just not enough time in a day. The problem is I don't think we can get into his house yet. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Should have probably only grabbed 4 of the geodes just because I don't know if we can find Elliot in time. Oh well, it'll be fine. I mean, we have to go down to the mines anyways, so maybe we skip cracking the geodes. But at the same time, I want to at least try. Just because, no, they were both over here. Potato. Egg. I think I have parsnips, too. Now that I think about it. Oh, well. boy. Sylvester. Okay, we'll just one more time. We'll try to see him one more time. You absolute... Ugh. At least this rain suits my aesthetic of the blue. Oop, that's the wrong room. Okay, we're gonna try to crack open some of these. Turn in some of these to Gunther, and then we'll go crack some more open. Okay. All right, well, that didn't give us any coal at all. So we should have just probably just immediately gone down to the mines. I can't grab the reward right now. I've got it. Yeah, oh, thanks for the melon seeds. What am I doing? I feel like I'm just wasting the day, and I only have one more day for the one thing, and I don't know how many for the crabs. Okay, back to the farm, and then speedy down back to the mines. Oh, I'm so disorganized. No, what am I doing? I was spacing. Put all these in there. Down to the mines. Sylvester is now super slowly trying to get back up on my lap. Like, he just heard me say his name. He knows he's been caught. Like, I won't notice. Yeah, you can be on my lap if you just would stop pushing on the mic. If you laid down like a good boy. Okay, we're not gonna die. We're going to live. Okay, we need to kill crabs and we need coal. Crabs and coal. And we need to be very, very careful. At least... Oh, yeah, you killed me last time. Oh, dang it. Okay. I looked back while I was editing the video. I have absolutely no idea where that rice shoot came from. So unless I just missed it every single time, I have no idea. It had to have been given to me by Linus. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, crabs. How many crabs do I need to kill? 2 of them. Okay. We've got this. It's already 4 p.m., which isn't great news. Oh, sometimes coal can be in these. Carrots. Nothing. There's a lot less monsters this time, though. Oop. Well, I want that. Let's get rid of the bug meat. I was just about to say a suspicious lack of monsters, but here we go. Yes! Oh. I think I want those more than I want that. Because I can sell these. No! Okay, you know what? Yep, let's just go. Man, I need to be looking for crabs, but I did not want to deal with that. Okay, usually these mine things mean, these mine tracks here, mean that there is, coal on this level. So, we might be getting really lucky here. Oh, this is bad. Ah, dang it. Yeah, I just realized I still have to talk to Clint in order to get the quest completed. So if he's not at the saloon tonight, still can't get the quest done. That sucks. Unless it holds it. Here we go. Give me... Yeah, I still need to talk to Clint. Oh. Actually, did we already uncover the way down? I think we did, right? If I remember correctly. Which it's clear that yeah, no, I did remember correctly. Yay! No, go away. Okay, we're on floor 19 right now. We just need to get... Oh my goodness. One more floor down. Did it just go away? Nope, it's coming back. No, there's two of them now. Let's just go. Let's just go. I know there's usually stuff at the end of that, but I just couldn't. Oh, thank goodness. A different sword. Actually, 2 to 5, 4 to 8. Okay, let's just get rid of that. Very nice. And a place to fish. Okay. We're going to go see if we can't find Clint. Hopefully he's at the one place. And I think I've got 2 days for this too. So I just have to make sure I get the rock crab tomorrow. I need to stop by the house first though. Because I think I need a spot in my inventory for the thing. Oh, we're going to be cutting it close. I think the bar closes at midnight. You know what? We can't risk it. Maybe we do that. Ooh, and then run away. And then maybe after we're done, we can come back for it. Aha! Perfect. Hello? Need a little warm me up to be ready for another cold night on the ocean. Hi, Goblin. Read anything interesting in the library lately? I don't know. No, I don't have time to chat with you. Okay. Hello, Pam. Sigh, hey kid, you're too young to be moping around in a place like this. I literally wasn't. Just came in to speak to people doing this thing. This morning I accidentally stepped on a bug. It's important to me that people can eat healthy, delicious meals. Unfortunately, in today's world, that's not so easy for everyone. Yeah, that's true. I've heard rumors of rare and powerful magic rings forged long ago by forgotten civilizations. I'm not sure if it's true or just a fairy tale. Wow, Haley, you dropping some heavy lore on me. You're not wrong, though. Okay, let's go get into Mayor Lewis's house because we don't respect his boundaries. What? We have to respect his boundaries? That's insane. That's an insane take. Okay, let's see if we have enough time to run back and then run back and grab the geode. I know it's just one geode, but anything could be inside of it. We got planter carrots too. Actually. Okay, you know what? We were pretty successful. We got one of the quests done. Oh. And we got gold for that too? Yes. Okay. I think we need to focus on doing the silo, which I know it takes, I think it takes wood and stone. I'm not sure. We might have to go and talk to Robin tomorrow on our way up to, we'll go to the mines. We'll try to get the crab. We'll talk to Robin on our way up and we'll, figure out what it takes to do the silo. I know I could just Google it and know, but, you know, kind of more fun sometimes to talk to people. And you get that extra boost with her when you talk to her, so. Because I think it's only 1,000. Okay, and we've got to turn that in, obviously, and see what we get for it. Okay. Oh, I think that did great. And we leveled up in farming. Yeah, we're a level 2 farmer. Why? Hold on. Why is it saying that we need to be a level 1? Is it because I just haven't crafted the scarecrow? Hold on. We need to solve this mystery. Booksellers in town. We don't have any money. Advancement. Reach farming level 1 and craft the scarecrow. Okay. Well, we'll do that next time too. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.